Without data acquisition team, there is no data. In India, no one has built that. So I'm actually proud of that, involved in the building of first drone-based SAR. Without your design failure, there is no growth. I am Madhusmruti Nayak. My designation is Associate Project Manager, but currently I am leading the embedded system team. I have done my master's in GalaxEye design. So I have joined GalaxEye in 2021. Then from computing research intern to embedded system engineer, and then project manager, and now I'm leading one embedded system team. Average day is the GalaxEye is like, so I usually come here by 9. I'm the first one to turn on AC like everywhere, in lab also, or like outside also. Then like we'll plan our day out, what to do, what testings should have been done according to the roadmap, what task we need to execute, starting from the plan, and then we'll move to the execution stage. Major project we have done in the India's first drone-based SAR. So there I was involved in the data acquisition team. So data acquisition team, what basically does that, we are capturing the data and we are giving that data set to the image processing team for the image generations. Data acquisition is in the sense is between sensor to data. Without my team, without data acquisition team, there is no data. That is the big important part of the GalaxEye. So there are a lot of things actually I like about GalaxEye. The first thing is the culture set. It is not like that if you are part in a team and you are facing any challenges, there is no one to help here. That is nothing like that. So even if the people are not in your team, they don't understand in the deep challenges you are facing, but they definitely try to help you out. Second thing is the innovation and the work. The work we are doing over here is very innovative and cool. People like I said to like in different setup company, what they just go and they have executed whatever they assigned to them. So here they are coming up the new solutions, they are coming up the new roadmap, and they are also coming up the how they will execute that. So every team and every individual over here are involving in each of the stages of the project development process. The third thing is the bonding, team bonding. Here actually founders, you never hesitate to reach out to them. Here everyone is so friendly, so you can't even think twice think of. So that is the best part in GalaxEye, the team bonding, communications, culture, and the innovations what we are doing.